So you finally made a MidJourney animation. It looks awesome, but it's only 5 seconds long. Kinda like ordering a pizza and getting just one slice. But don't worry, there's a fix. In this video, I'll show you how to use Extend, and especially Manual Extend, to take that tiny clip and stretch it into a full cinematic sequence. That's all we're focusing on today, the basics. And if you're into this, make sure to catch the next episode where I'll show you some advanced tricks to keep your character consistent and dropping her into brand new scenes. Alright, let's get started! Meet Xalura. She's our mysterious space priestess, handcrafted in episode 1. If you haven't seen that one yet, I highly recommend watching it first. It's where we build her face, her armor, her attitude. Don't worry, I'll wait. Okay, let's bring her to life. Step 1. We remix. We take this half-body image, the one where she's giving us that slightly judgmental sideways glance. Then we pick a style reference, a full body image of Xalura in her space armor. And finally, we add an Omni reference, a close-up of her face to lock in those signature features. Style gives us the pose, Omni gives us the soul, Remix gives us the body. Here's the new prompt. Xalura, full body, standing on a glowing platform, futuristic landscape, massive glowing moon in sky, cinematic lighting, ethereal alien atmosphere, hyper-realistic, live-action film quality. No big deal, just your standard moonlit space goddess vibe. We get 4 results, all beautiful, but one of them really stands out. She's got the right posture, the face still feels like our Xalura, and the lighting, perfection. We upscale this one and get ready to animate. Now, before we hit that animate button, quick side note. MidJourney added this animation feature. It takes your image and adds a 5-second motion sequence. You can choose between low motion, subtle camera moves, or high motion, more dramatic pans, zooms, and head turns. Now back to Xalura. Hashtag render time. She comes to life. A soft head tilt, eyes lifting, catching the moonlight. Suddenly, she's not just an image anymore. She's aware. Okay, cool. But 5 seconds isn't enough for a whole scene. So instead of just hitting auto extend, we go for extend manually. Why? Because auto tries to guess the continuation for you, but with manual extend, we stay in control. We type the next prompt ourselves and decide exactly what happens in the shot. It's like switching from autopilot to full director's mode. Here's the prompt we used. Camera slowly pans out to reveal ancient structures rising behind her, lit by moons. The scene continues seamlessly. The camera pulls back, and these massive alien temples emerge behind her. Now it's not just a portrait, it's the beginning of a story. Okay, time to stretch this scene even further. New prompt. Camera continues pulling back slowly to reveal the full alien courtyard, glowing runes on the ground, other priestesses walking in the background, twin moons casting soft light. If you're wondering how long these renders take, let's just say I could have baked cookies by now. Cosmic cookies. Apparently AI thinks all aliens are fashion models. Not complaining. And there it is! Bam! A whole courtyard, glowing runes on the floor, and Xalura's not alone anymore. 3 priestesses to the left, 3 to the right. The moon above, working overtime as our cosmic spotlight. Okay, final stretch. You know the drill. Hit extend, and here's the prompt this time. Camera tilts upward slowly, revealing a giant celestial ring descending from the sky, casting shifting light over the courtyard. The priestesses look up in unison. By the way, funny fact, I've spent more time waiting for renders than actually making prompts. Hashtag AI life. You know how Marvel movies always end with the heroes looking up at the sky dramatically? Yeah, apparently MidJourney watched those too. The camera zooms way out, quick, dramatic. And in this very last moment, a massive ring appears above, hanging in the sky. Light flickers across the courtyard, and all 8 priestesses lift their heads together, perfectly in sync, like they've been rehearsing this scene for centuries. Goosebumps? No? Just me? And just like that, from a single portrait, we've built a living scene. With MidJourney's Animate and Extend tools, you can keep going as long as you like. 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 5 minutes if you're patient enough. You're not just generating images, you're directing short films. If you found this helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, or share your own animated worlds down below. In the next episode, we'll take things a step further. How to keep your character consistent and place her into completely new scenes, while still feeling like one continuous story. Till then, keep dreaming in pixels!